Good morning, students. Let's move towards the fourth part of this chapter, environment. And fourth part is the human environment. But before moving towards the fourth part, I would like to recap all those topics which we have done earlier. First of all, we did the definition of environment that I told you about the definition of the environment. That is, environment is our basic life support system. It provides the air we breathe, the water we drink, the food we eat, and the land where we live. Then we discussed about the components of environment, that is natural, human made, and human. Then two conditions of natural environment that is existing on the earth, that is biotic and abiotic. Biotic is the related to living organisms and abiotic is related to the non-living elements. Then we had natural environment. Into the natural environment we have lithosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere, biosphere. These four things we have over here. Afterwards we discussed about the ecosystem, and now there is a fourth part, that is the human environment. So what is human environment? Human environment is the environment which is basically modified by the human beings according to their needs. Okay, for example, early human adopted themselves to the natural surroundings. They led a simple life and fulfilled their requirements from the nature and around them. As soon as the time passed, the needs grew up, and the human learned new ways to use and change the environment. They learn how to grow crops, they learn how to domesticate animals, they learn how to lead a settled life. Even when they felt the need of wheel, they invented wheel also. Earlier they were producing though that much food only, which they were able to consume, but then they felt that they need to produce more. Okay, then barter system was emerged, and slowly that barter system was also removed from there, and we started with the new system, with the currency system. Then transportation became faster, information revolution made communication easier and speedy across the world. So that is the human environment, the environment which is created by a human. Okay, which is created by the human beings to fulfill their own needs, to fulfill their own requirements. That is known as the human environment. For example, you can take an example of your seasons, like winter season and the summer season, as this example is given in our NCERT book also. The summer season and the winter season, as when the summer season starts, we change our requirements start changing. Okay, and whenever we get the winter season, again the requirement starts changing. Okay, why does it happen? It happens because of our need. Because during the summer season we need something which is very cold to keep our body cool. And during the winter season, what do we need? We need something hot, which makes our body hot, which keep our body hot, which try to make the balance between the temperature and the environment of our body and the atmosphere. Okay, so we try to balance the need of our body by our requirements according to the changing the climate. So that was all about the human environment. So I hope you understood the chapter completely, properly, and I hope you all will revise well at home.